Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the Dred Custom Paint Infinity 2024 review. I might be the first one on YouTube doing the review, so enjoy guys. We're not going to do a normal review. I'm not going to do a taking it out of the box review and then spraying dots and lines for you, going really fast, going look at this brush, it gets really down on detail, buy it. No, we're going to talk about, and I'm going to put up pieces of artwork that I've been doing off camera that I've achieved with it. So I'm going to give you my honest opinion on how this brush performs, how it feels in your hand, what's it like on detail, is it easy to get on with, what are the differences from the new one to the old one. Now we'll clear that one straight up. Old Infinity to new one. Is it the same or is it different? The new Infinity absolutely wipes the floor with the old one. It really does. I mean, the old one is a great brush. I've still got mine, but the new one is like different league compared to the old one. So that's cleared that one up. The artwork that you're seeing up now, this is the stuff I've achieved with it. So I was testing it off camera with sort of real small credit card portraits. I've done credit card portraits with it, and I've done postcard up to A3, and I've gone back down to that, back up to that, back down to that, and I've gone up and down on artwork and smashed loads of it out. I've got a folder full of just Infinity work, and I'm looking at it thinking, what did I achieve there? It's like crazy, like right down. So it's been a real joy to paint with. Now, getting it out of the box, the first thing you're going to see is the triple plate chrome just gleam at you, and then you've got the real nice anodized back piece. It's like a Rolls Royce of brush. That's all I can describe it. When you get it out of the box, put it in your hand, you just feel it oozes quality. You pick it up and you just know the bits that are on it are going to last. You can feel the nice balance of weight. The trigger feels nice. It just feels nice, solid, not flimsy or anything like that. You've got really nice contact at the top, so when you touch it, you get that real sense through the brush when you press the trigger down. And that's before hooking it up to an airline. So that's what you're going to feel when you get out of the box. You'll look around it and go, yeah, you'll undo the back, and it's like really silky smooth. Everything just fits how H&S brushes fit. They just glide back together. And then you put your paint in it for the first time. So you know me, I always put my little test panel to the side, and I've got my artwork ready to go. So I dropped my FW ink in it, 20 psi. I thought, yeah, pulled it through, went blast, pulled it through, and went up to the test panel and just went straight down and thought, right, let's see what this brush can do. Straight in, hit super fine, and I mean super fine detail, straight the way off the bat, 20 psi right up to the paper, and it wasn't blowing out. It's the way it delivers the air in the paint with the new titanium front end. And that sort of baffled me, because I was instantly going to go for the Mac valve to turn the pressure down, thinking that's thin paint and that's just going to blow out. And it didn't. It just put the paint down really clean. I thought, crikey, let's go then. So I moved into the artwork, and just it submerges you into your artwork, because you've tested it to the side, you've checked where your paint is, and it's like bang, instant. So you just go, yeah, let's go. Straight in, straight up on a tiny little eye, and it was like, yeah, let's do some little eyelashes. Yeah, not a problem, let's put the hair in. And before you know it, the picture was done, and I was like, that came out pretty cool actually. That's really small. Yeah, that's a great brush. Let's test it again. So did another piece, a bit bigger, then done that, same again. Looked at the time and I thought, either that brush is making me paint quicker, or it's just, I don't know what it is, but I'm just smashing out the artwork. Came to a colour portrait, and I thought, right, colour, grabbed a load of colours, thought there's going to be a load of colour changing with it, in and out the brush, stop, start, blasting through, cleaning, let's give it a go. Straight in, no dramas, couple of tests to the side with different colours, and smashed out a colour portrait. So I thought, this is too good to be true. Next piece, A3, let's do some backing off, some distances on shading. Let's see what it's like at shading. 20 psi throughout, didn't change the pressure, and just backed off, and it was like effortless. And I'm like, so I'm getting the brush, I'm thinking, yeah, this is like really, really cool. Can't wait to do the review for you guys. And this is as I've been testing it. So the brush is incredible, guys. It really is. It is, I would say it is one of the best detail brushes that I've ever picked up and worked with, and enjoyed working with it for the whole package of it. And what the changes they've done to it, they're the right changes. They've dialed in the areas that needed dialing in, and they've sorted it out. And it's like, what a phenomenal brush for 2024. I think H&S have pipped it in every category, guys. They really have. They smashed it with the Ultra release at the beginning of the year. When that came out and I got to test that, I thought, yep, they've done it, because this is what beginners need in a brush. They need that tension, that feedback. You don't need a real soppy, soft trigger as a beginner. You need that tension to get that muscle memory there. You've got the sleeve settings on it. You've got a really robust, solid brush, easy to clean. And it just smashed it for the beginners. And then the intermediate, they brought the Evolution out. And again, brilliant setup, phenomenal trigger comfort in that. I love it. And the 028 and the 045 work brilliant in that brush. Really nice tension in the trigger going back. And they smashed it in the intermediate with the new Evolution. And now they've done it again with the Infinity. It's like, you know, enough said. It's like, if you're thinking of one, you will not look back. It is a phenomenal brush. And you know, we've got H&S lovers that will just instantly, they've got one on pre-order, because they know what it's going to be like. If they've come up the brushes like I have through the years, you instantly know you're getting quality. Now it's the same across the board. If you're looking for a detail brush and say you're coming up the Iwata, and the next one you've got your eye on is the Custom Micron Takumi. Brilliant brush, got one. You know, you can go that route and you can spend the 500 on that brush, or if you was going down the Krios route, the 771, lovely detail brush, you could be spending up to 300, or probably a little bit cheaper. So they're the sort of avenues you're going to be going down. Now, the reason why I think that is the best detail brush on the market is the whole package. The price of it, what you're getting in the box, it outdoes it on the other two for what you're getting. You're getting a hell of a lot of brush, guys, for the money. You really are. And something that's going to last a long, long time. So I hope you've enjoyed this review. I'll leave a link in the description. So if you want to go over to H&S and order either the Solo or the 2-in-1, all the info's on their site. Drop your comments, guys. Tell me your thoughts. I've got loads of stuff coming up with the Infinity, so if you want to see some more, we will do a breakdown one, the cleaning of the Infinity and putting it back together, and a little bit more about some bits in the box, so you're going to get to see that a bit later on. So thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.